Copenhagen Gala's fulfill connecting to deliver unticketed and complete passengers. Please make your way to gate 19 immediately before boarding. Once doors are closed, they will not reopen.
Okay. Just me?
You're pushing into the studio. I wish I could too.
They're going to Santa Monica?
Hopefully everything works out. But yeah.
To LA, the airport.
Ain't never been here. Got to see the mountains. They were going to try to get her in the Chevy Sport.
Blackberry Diner. Denny's.
And then we stayed there, and then one.
How much was that?
63.
Near, far, wherever you are. He's a turtle. Save the turtles.
Literally.
Because we needed saving today.
Don't look at me. I look rough. IFG adventure. I love California so far.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Where the fuck's Tara?
Hallelujah. 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 Tita. Yeah. Freeze frame, Zach. Freeze frame. No, like, yeah.
Let's go. I was like, son of a.
Ooh. Wow, you guys are so photogenic from the back.
I mean, you're technically against the line.
Guys.
Oh, what? For 23,000?
Later.
No, you make sense.
Yeah,
I'm
right?
just saying.
Because then if there's,
I was just trying to repeat what we did at
yeah, I
Liberation.
think so. But we have some our projected and now
the day, y'all. This is what I'm eating today. Sarah got almost the same stuff as me. Kayla has the kid meal. Good luck, Charlie. Half a day, Texas. Hi.
Hi, Gabby's vlog.
Do you have to? Like, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Tatulos. T-Pain's for all the generations. California. They gotta keep switching. Ready? Whoa! Whoa!
Security, get your bags checked and go all the way straight. Okay.
Tomorrow.
Good morning. Hey guys, good morning.
We're about to go to the store and practice.
Breakfast.
Oh, and breakfast. I meant not practice. Yeah, we're in California.
Oh my God.
Okay.
We're in California.
Just at a Walmart. That's in a mall. We're at a Walmart. Oh, why is the quality like really good?
Salt and cap.
Hi.
Yeah, that's the one I need help on.
Which one? Why do you do that?
Because I wanted to smell and see if it was syrup.
That's a fat burrito cake.
You are disgusting. She that was the first thing she put it on.
Zach, that's bomb.
Oh, that is a good promise. Ooh, that mustard dip though.
Yeah, that mustard ham.
I'm ready.
Waiting for you. He can go. He's good for the day.
That's the one. That's the one.
Is this like a regular pastrami sandwich?
Nah.
Your regular pastrami sandwich.
You tripping. I'll fight you right now.
It's a burnt out.
I'll throw hands on you right now. You try it out.
It's not to scale. We are not that close to each other, but it's the way for people to realize that there are over 20,000 Pacific Islands, right? That means every islet, every atoll, it all matters. So when you see the regions, right, the Micronesia, Polynesia, and Melanesia. So the three regions weren't actually created by our community, right? Nesia comes from the Greek word nesos, which just means islands. So many islands, small, tiny islands. And then I never looked up the colonizer who came up with that name for Melanesia because melanin means dark or black. Named the grouping of the islands by people's skin color. So, who the hell does that? So remove the lines. And when you remove the lines, you see all of us, right? And this is where you tell yourself how much. Because many of us in our communities don't ever feel we're empowered. And you feel empowered because when you remove the lines, we are the people of the largest office. We are the people of the largest ocean on this planet, right? Larger than all the land.
And when Tara gets up, she gets up on her right, don't forget. That's
Hello. Hey guys, so welcome back. I know. We just got finished practicing in my music.
Dude, hello vlog.
Were you in it? I don't know.
That's a very hard song to play.
I need to find a spot for my... Maybe over there. Back there? Oops, sorry. On the flat. Oh, it's just you. Never mind. You need to shower. Stop. Is it bad? No, it's not that bad yet. Hi.
All right, we're gonna bless the table.
Bendizigamos signs and asinagir mami, separe kanun, siena fematu, kinikinatamu,
I got you. Thank you.
Sorry.
Apologize to my fans.
Go ahead.
Apologize.
Oh, we missed it?
You missed
Yeah.
it. Well,
It's okay. It's okay.
We're gonna get my food.
Oh, that's nice.
Sarah was recording.
Oh, she did? Thank you. My assistant.
Let's go, Zach. And keep
Marlena, if you don't want to hang out with us, that's all you could have said.
Want me to hang out? Just say that.
We've been asking you.
Friday shenanigans. I didn't know about it.
Okay, you heard it here, guys. Marlena did not hear about the Friday thing.
5 hours later, you do everything.
No, we did not. We didn't get
5
to.
hours to get a car. 5 hours?
You'll find out in the vlog.
The car till like 2 o'clock. Yeah.
And then we
I
have
would
a
have
day.
loved to like make it, but then like
I don't know who's behind me. Where's Senor Turtle?
Right again.
Wait, Marlena, you ready with us?
yeah, because they're gonna stop by
Okay.
and get food. If you don't want me here, just say that, Cam. God.
Was it that obvious? I'm just kidding.
All right, everybody, for the opening number, come on stage. Let's go. Quick, time does not wait for no one. And communicate with one another is key. Okay? Now, everybody, get on the stage. I'm going to show you how to get on.
Hey, folks. This is
The next morning.
Because literally you're under the tutelage of hiding, and it only makes sense. And look at what your group is doing. Dude, I sat back there, I'm like, so that means you guys practiced non-stop yesterday.
They like
Some I'm hoping, like, they're very young. When I was that age, that's what I mean.
They're not me and Trisha like.
I'm watching the boys do the urita. When I was doing the urita, I was going down low. I would literally fly my highest up. I looked like Atlanta what I once was before. Now, so this is gonna do that last verse for the give me your eight. That's the sound I need. Alyssa, say it again. Alyssa, say it again. There we go.
I'll try to get you.
There we go. Rock and roll. I keep looking at you when you dance.
Work your way up to the front. This is the last song, so give a round of applause to the fellas. Last song.
Who's trying to get turned up on a Sunday, dude?
Chipotle chicken quesadilla. They're still waiting on their food.
I think this is our last stop.
South Cali. Closed doors. Or not. Okay. You're annoying. We are back in Austin.